In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a System.io free account. If you have been wanting a simple way to get started, this is the first step. The process is quick, but it helps to follow each part carefully, so your account is set up correctly from the beginning. First, go to the official System.io registration page. Make sure you are on the real website, because that is where your account creation will be secure and reliable. As you open your browser, you can type the official site address directly, or navigate from a trusted source. Once you arrive at the registration page, take a moment to confirm you see the sign-up form. This is the page where you will enter the information needed to create your free account. Next, type your email address into the provided field. Look for the input box that is labeled for your email, then enter the email address you want to use for this account. Use the address you can access easily, because the next step depends on it. After you type it, double-check for spelling mistakes. A correct email helps ensure that the confirmation message reaches you without delays. After you enter your email, check your inbox for the confirmation email and click the link to activate your account. This step is important because it verifies that the email address belongs to you. Go to your email account in another tab or window and look for a message from System.io. When you find it, open the email and locate the activation link inside. Then click the link. This will complete the verification part and move your account into an active state, ready for you to continue signing in. Now that your email is confirmed, follow the link back to the registration page. On many flows, the email link sends you to the sign-up screen or continues the setup directly. If it takes you back to the registration page, you will see prompts for creating your password. Create your password on that page and enter it exactly as you intend to use it. Also, you may be asked to confirm the password by typing it again. This confirmation helps prevent accidental typos that can lock you out. Once you have created and confirmed your password, click Save. This saves your login details and finalizes the account setup. It is a good idea to wait for the page to confirm that everything has been saved successfully. If there is a message or indicator showing that your account is ready, that means you have completed the setup stage. After that, you will log in to begin using your account. Return to the System.io login screen or use the login option on the site if it is shown. Enter your email address and the password you just set. Then submit the form to sign in. When you are logged in, you should be taken into your System.io dashboard or account area, where you can start exploring what you can do next with your free account. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.